So here's my goddamn yerf dog that don't want to fucking start. Sorry for my French, but this shit is frustrating. Oh my god, take a look what y'all see here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave the phone right here so y'all can see everything I'm trying to do. Scoot this a little bit over, y'all can see the throttle. Maybe I'm trying to start it up wrong, I don't know. Okay, yeah, y'all can check that out. Tell me if that's about what it's supposed to be. I don't know. So I'm gonna try to start it up real quick. So, yeah, I just saw that amazing display of power. Now what I want to know from y'all is why? Why does this thing not want to start up? Could it be the carb? Maybe the fuel lines? My friend told me my fuel lines are too rigid. These are the hard plastic ones. My battery just got charged. As you can hear, it's turning over strong. All the circuitry seems to be in order. Seems to be together. Sorry, my bad. There's nothing disconnected. Upgraded spark plug cable. Upgraded CDI, I think. My solenoid is okay. I don't know. Only thing it could be is the carb. This shit is frustrating. Let me try to start it up again for y'all. You heard that? It wants to crank, but something's stopping it. Maybe clogged fuel lines.